In Creo 13, Creo Simulation Live now supports ECAD assemblies for all physics types. Previously, Creo only supported design assemblies. You now get all the same incredible benefits from Creo Simulation Live within ECAD assemblies. Here on the screen is an ECAD assembly that we will take through structural, modal, thermal, and fluid studies. Also included in this capability is a toggle to hide ECAD context data. And also, because of the large size difference between an ECAD board and components, we have a more robust contact tolerance to ensure that all contacts are collected properly. Enabling ECAD assemblies will enable more users of CSL to benefit from these accurate and real-time results and delivers a highly requested enhancement to CSL.